Hi, Vicki Bentley here with Everyday Homemaking, and I have just cut up chicken so that I can make fried chicken. So I've got it. Took me a while to cut the chicken up. I'm not very strong, so I've cut the chicken up and I've used this counter, and I'm going to show you that my Norwex cloth cleans up. This is where I cut the chicken right here. So I'm going to use my Norwex Kitchen Cloth, Norwex microfiber. Picks up over 99% of bacteria with just water and microfiber. So I'm going to show you that this test here is to test for the presence of proteins. So I'm going to swab this after I've cleaned up. And this chicken was laying all over here. This is a Hygiea swab. It's not a Norwex swab. It's used all over the place to show cleanliness. Let me see if I can find something white to put behind this. Maybe you can see here. You can see the green. You'll see here it says that green means clean. There it goes. Green means clean. This is from Hygiea. If this had been purple or gray, it would indicate the presence of proteins. I'll show you actually. Let's see. Let's touch it to a piece of... I'll take this out. We'll throw this piece away. I'm going to touch this to the chicken right here, and you can see right off the bat it's turned purple. You can see there it's turned purple right away because of the proteins. So this is to show you that when I clean this counter off with my Norwex cloth, it is considered as clean as if they were testing a delicatessen or a doctor's office or a dentist's office. It's the same type of equipment they checked for the presence of proteins, which would be what bacteria would feed upon. So I just want to let you know that I use Norwex in my kitchen. I have cleaned this counter after cutting up chicken, and I don't have a problem using it to do any more cooking. So just wanted to give you a little bit of reassurance there. Thanks.